Hey everybody, George Chamberlain here, watching your dollars on this Monday morning. Hope you all had a good weekend, as good as can be anticipated. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to do something a little bit lighter this morning to talk about, rather than all the serious stuff that's been in the news. A survey just came out this morning from a website called Insure.com, and it took a look at what Santa would be paid, should be paid, if he was paid hourly for the work that he does. And according to this survey from the folks at Insure.com, Santa's salary would be just a little bit under $135,000 a year. That's up about 1.5% from a year ago. He would get most of his money working as an industrial engineer. They say Santa supervises the design, development, and testing of every doll and rocket that the elves produce, among the other hundreds of toys. That would earn him about $111,000. He also gets paid at as a labor relations specialist, a correspondence clerk answering all those letters, a professional shopper, a rancher, a private investigator. He has to determine who's been naughty or nice, and not to mention being a pilot on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So Santa, to me, it seems like he should be paid a heck of a lot more than just what they suggest here. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good one.